Hey guys, so I just got back from the card shop. Got 8 Platinum Arceus booster packs. Just got released today, I think. I was gonna go to the pre-release, but I was too far away, so didn't go. But got 8 of these bad boys right now, so I'm gonna open them. Sweet. So start with the Arceus pack. So hoping for, I don't know, something good. Alright. So Shinx, Ammonite, Cherubi, Makuhita, Pikachu, Energy Restore, Graveler, Manectric, Buffer Piece. Yes! Oh my god! First pack! This is exactly what I wanted. This is the only card that I wanted. Holy crap, dude. Ah, look at this doggy! Come here. Charlie Brown. Charlie Brown! Check it out. My Gengar. Yes! This is the card. What the hell? Sorry. Excuse my language. But anyways, this is actually what I wanted. I thought I was going to be depressed after buying 8 packs and not get any Lv.X's, but I can't believe it. Holy crap. And I was seeing it right there too. Oh my god. This is awesome. Gengar Lv.X. This is what I wanted. This is the one card. I'm excited. I shouldn't have even bought the rest of the packs. Oh well. I'll open those two. Alright. Next one is the Zapdos pack. Maybe I'll just keep all the other packs. I don't even need anything else. Keep them unopened. But that's awesome. That's one card that I wanted. I can't really get it in the first pack. So the Zapdos pack I got from one side of the box. But okay, so Trico, Cherubi, Rattata, Bagon, Burmy, Department Store Girl. Yes, Expert Belt. I want this. This is a good card for to battle with. Bronzor, Arceus. That's awesome. And a Gengar. Sweet. That's awesome that I got an Arceus. I don't know if this is sweet. But Gengar too. Perfect. For the Lv.X. That's pretty awesome. I'm excited. Great. So far so good. That's good. Really good. Next, Salamence pack. Yeah, Salamence is the other card that I want from this set, or the Salamence Lv.X. But Gengar was definitely the number one that I wanted. That's cool. I got Expert Belt too. That's a nice card. 2, 3, 2. Okay. Cherubi. I keep starting with Cherubi like every time. Makuhita, Pikachu, Wingull, Nosepass, Bench Shield, Shelgon, Buffer Piece. Sweet, Frostlass, the verse. That's a rare. So that's good. And then a Zapdos Holo. Awesome. That's a great pack right there. Great pack. A Holo and a rare reverse Holo. Sweet. Okay, next. Looks like I'm running out of time, so I gotta make this quick. Zapdos pack. Okay. So, Krogunk, Tangela, Nosepass, Dome Fossil, Burmy, Professor Oak's Visit, Wormadam, another one. Sweet, Arceus, the Psychic Arceus, and Golem is the rare. That's good. Got an Arceus. I mean, I don't know how common they are in the set, but anyways, that's awesome. Got another Arceus, at least. Salamence pack. Yeah, I gotta make this fast. I'm running out of 3. Gulpin, Bagon, Baniri, Geodude, Krogunk, Bonita, Grovyle, Lv.X, Expert Belt, sweet, another Expert Belt, that's good, it's a good card, and Sceptile, okay. Okay, Arceus pack. Great, so far so good, not bad. Alright. 3. Try to make this faster because I'm like really running out of time. Okay, Nose Pass, Dome Fossil, Burn-Me, Snorunt, Electrike, Bronzong, Ultimate Zone, Ghastly, Dome Fossil, and Tangrowth. That's a holo. That's good. Cool. Alright. Another Arceus pack, the Arceus Water patch. Water. Alright. Alright. Geodude, Ponyta, Wingull, Beedrill, sweet. It's common, that's weird. Old Amber, Luxio, Wormadam, Grovyle, it's an uncommon, and another Sceptile. Okay. Last pack. Got this pack. Alright, where this goes. Cherubi, always turn out this Cherubi's and Makapita all the time. Pikachu, Wingull, this pass. I swear I feel like the same commons every time. Manectric, sweet, another Arceus, that's awesome. And a Toxicroak, and that's a holo, that's good, that's a great pack. Look at that, Arceus and a holo Toxicroak. So, great pull so far. I got, what, like 3 Arceuses and a Lv.X. So there's the Arceuses, 3 holos I think, which is great. Toxicroak holo, I got the Frostlass reverse holo, it's a rare. Tangrowth holo, and of course, I gotta get in here, buried in here, the Gengar Lv.X, awesome. So great pulls, and then let's see, where's that? Zapdos. Zapdos holo somewhere, but I don't know. Anyways, so I think 3 Arceuses, 3 holos, and a Lv.X. Great.